Hello everyone, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. And today's tutorial, we are going to look at field calculator, how to use a field calculator. So to start with, let me open the attribute table. Let me open the attribute table for my polygon. This is my polygon layer. Right click, open attribute. So when I open attribute, we can see that I have my field calculator here. This is the field calculator. It's basically the fourth feature from the right hand side. So to use it, you need to first activate the toggle editing feature mode. So I click on it. When I click on it, I now click on my field calculator. So when I open it, you can see here I have create a new field or update an existing one. So to start with, let's update an existing one. Let me update an existing one. So we are going to update name. So I can give it a general name here, polygon. So why isn't it? No. So I'm going to give it 0. That means area and square meter. I'm going to give it generally 0. So I say apply. We can see that field area square meter successfully applied. So generally we can see that in our area square meter field, the area has been given as what? As a 0. So from there, another thing I'm going to show you is if we don't use this, we create a new field. To create a new field, I can give this one location. Let me call it location. I call this one a text. So text. So location. I'm creating a new field called location. I'm giving it a text. Then whenever I type, anyway, for this, so location. When I say apply, the new field comes, but with this number I've written here. So we can do a lot of things in this field calculator. So we can as well as do some calculations, other calculations. So let me create a new field. So let me call this distance. integer. Small. I say okay, so the field is blank. So we open our field calculator. So remember, this is just for tutorial purposes. So I can come to this. I say update field. When I say update field, I go to location. So I can say, I can open, sorry, I'm updating distance. I say location, I click on it, then I close, I subtract 7 that. So when I say apply, so a field calculator mainly is like a normal calculator you use. So you can see that I'm subtracting the location value. I'm having a location value minus a 766. So in our preview here, we see the answer given to us. So I say apply. So we can see that we have this. So you can do any calculation, let it be difference, subtraction, multiplication from this field calculator, basically like that. So in my next tutorial, we're going to see how to use the geometry tool for calculating areas and distances. So allow me stop here. Thank you, guys. Subscribe. So let me discard that.